Good morning children. Today's subject is maths. Today we are going to see the lesson number 3, addition and subtraction. In last period we have started the subtraction. Okay. In that we have completed the problem set 10. Now today we have to see the next part, that is new method for subtraction. So everyone be careful and see the subtraction. So let's start. So let's see the example from problem set 11. Here the first example is what? See, 8,57,513 minus 4,82,256. So as here 6 digit numbers are there, so here I make the 6 column and here I put the numbers from unit place. So now let's start the subtraction. So now what I am showing the subtraction, it is different. It is a new method. As you are doing practice, as you are solving the same example again and again, then it is easy for you. Okay. So be careful and everyone give your attention to here. Okay. As you have solved the problem set 10 based on the old method. Up to 4th standard, which method you are using for subtraction, that method only you used for the problem set 10. But now this year you have to see the new method. Now let's see how to solve. It is easy than old method. Actually this new method is easy than old method. But if you are understanding it properly and doing the practice, then and then only it is easy. Okay, so let's see. As here 3 is there and here 6 is there. 3 minus 6 is possible. Yes, is it 3 minus 6 is possible? No. As 3 is bigger than 6, this subtraction is not possible. So in that case, what we are doing? We are borrowing 1 from their neighbor. Yes, we are borrowing 1 from their neighbor. But now we have to what to do? We have to borrow only. But from which number? From downside number. Yes, we have to borrow 1. But from which number? From downside number. So here to the downside, which number? 5 is there. So we have to borrow 1 from 5. So this 3 convert into 13. This 3 convert into 13. As we are borrowing, we do not have to decrease this number. This 1 convert into 0 or this 5 convert into 4. It's not happen in new method. Just you have to borrow 1 from downside number. Understood this first step? Okay. So now this 3 convert into 13. Now from 13 do the subtraction of 6. So 6 keep in your mind and count up to 13. After 6 count your finger. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yes, how much finger? 7. So answer is what? 7. Now see the next step. Very important. Now as we are borrowing from 1, so in new method we have to return them again. Yes. Now in your class when you are taking pen, pencil from your friend. Yes. After using you are returning to them. Yes. So same thing as for our use. For subtraction we are borrowing 1 from 5. So after use again we have to return them. So this return 1 to this 5 only. Yes. So this return 1 to this 5. Now this returned 1 we have to add in 5. See, जो हमने रिटर्न किया है वो 5 में मिक्स करना है. Okay. So now 5 plus 1 means what? 6. Now 5 plus 1 means what? 6. So downside now we get the 6 number. Now this 6 we have to subtract from 1. Now this 6 number we have to subtract from 1. 1 में से कौन सा नंबर हमें अभी subtract करना है? 6, not 5. Because 5 convert into 6. 5 में हमने ये borrowing number add किया है ना. So this 5 convert into 6. And now from 1 we have to subtract the 6. Is it from 1 6 subtraction is possible? No. So again what? Borrow from neighbor. But which? Downside. So from 2 we have to borrow. So now this 1 convert into 11. 1 convert into 11. Now from 11 minus 6. 11 minus 6. 6 keep in your mind. Subtract or count the finger up to 11. So after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many fingers? 5. So 11 minus 6 is 5. Now after using return. Yes, after using return, and return number you have to add. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. So now 5 minus 3. Yes, this subtraction is possible. 5 minus 3 is 2. Here 7 minus 2 is possible. So 7 minus 2 is 5. Now see, 5 minus 8. Is it 5 minus 8 is possible? No. So now in this case again borrow from 4. Borrow from 4. So this 5 convert into 15. So now 15 minus 8. 8 keep in your mind, and after 8 count the finger up to 15. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many fingers? 7 fingers. Now after using, return that number. So now 4 plus 1 is 5. So now 8 minus 5 is 3. Yes, is it understood? Yes. So see, again one time I am going to repeat the process. Yes. So first 3 minus 6 is not possible. So borrow from downside number. Borrow from downside number. 3 convert into 13. 13 minus 6 is 7. After using return, only 2 steps you have to keep in mind. Borrow and return. Borrow and return. After using, return it, and return number we have to add. So 5 plus 1 is 6. 1 minus 6 is not possible. Again borrow from downside number. So 1 convert into 11. 11 minus 6 is 5. After using return, so 2 plus 1 is 3. So 5 minus 3 is possible. 7 minus 2 is also possible. So now 5 minus 8 is not possible. So now again borrow from downside number. 5 convert into 15. So now 15 minus 8 is 7. 15 minus 8 is 7. After borrowing, return. So 4 plus 1 is 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. So this is the new method for subtraction. At first it is difficult, but as you are solving it again and again, doing the practice, then and then only it is easy to you only. So today I am going to take again one example. Okay. So today I am explaining only 2 examples. So that 2 only first you have to do the practice so many times. So let's start the second one. So here also 7 digit number, and here I put the columns, and here I wrote the numbers also. So start from unit. So 9 minus 3. Is it possible 9 minus 3? Yes, as 9 is bigger number. 9 minus 3 is 6. Now 1 minus 2 is possible? No, as 1 is bigger than 2. 1 is smaller than 2. So 1 minus 2 is not possible. So now we have to borrow from 4. In previous year we are borrowing from this upper side. But now new method we have to borrow from downside number. So this 1 convert into 11. 1 convert into 11. Now 11 minus 2. 2 keep in your mind and count the finger up to 11. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So how many fingers? 9 fingers are there. Okay. So after borrowing, return. So now 4 plus 1 is 5. So 5 minus 5 is 0. 7 minus 7 is 0. This second one is very easy. 1 minus 0, 1 only. 3 minus 0, 3 only. And 1 minus 1 is 0 only. So here only this for second digit we have to borrowing and returning. Remaining all are simple only. So today I shown only 2 examples to you. So what you have to do today? These 2 examples only. Solve 3 times in your CW. First you have to copy this from a video, and again 2 times. Again, so total 3 times in your CW I want these examples. So first you have to copy from video, then again try to solve yourself stepwise. So again 2 times. This first example solve 2 times, second example also solve 2 times in your CW. Understood everyone? Okay. So try to solve it properly. One by one you can you can see the step and then solve the subtraction. Understood everyone? Okay, thank you.